Places in city. English with Helen. Hello, I am Helen. Today we will study public places in English. Let's start. Bank. Bank. An organization where people and businesses can invest or borrow money. Factory. Factory. A building where people use machines to produce goods. Fire station. Fire station. A building where firefighters are based. Police station. Police station. The office of the local police force. Prison. Prison. A building where criminals are forced to live as a punishment. Hospital. Hospital. A place where ill people are treated by doctors and nurses. Office building. Office building. A large building that contains offices. Cafe. Cafe. A small restaurant where simple meals and drinks are served. Boutique. Boutique. A small shop that sells fashionable clothes, shoes, jewelry. Mall. Mall. A very large building containing a lot of stores. Pharmacy. Pharmacy. A shop in which medicines are prepared and sold. Supermarket. Supermarket. A large shop which sells most types of food. Bakery. Bakery. A place where bread, cakes are made and sold. Marketplace. Marketplace. A place, usually in an open area, where things are sold. Bookstore. Bookstore. A store where books are sold. Cinema. Cinema. A theater where people pay to watch films. Theater. Theater. A building where people can watch a performance, a movie, or another activity. Library. Library. A building that has a collection, especially of books, for people to read or borrow. Art museum. Art museum. A building where objects of historical, scientific, or artistic interest are kept. Clinic. Clinic. A building to which people can go for medical care. School. School. A place where children go to be educated. College. College. A university where you can study for the first degree. University. University. A place of higher education. Park. Park. A large area of land with grass and trees. People can walk in it for pleasure or children can play in it. Playground. Playground. An outside area designed for children to play in. Stadium. Stadium. A large closed area of land with no roof, used for sports events and musical performances. Hotel. Hotel. A building where you pay to have a room to sleep in. Gym. Gym. A place where you can go to exercise using machines, weights, and other equipment. Swimming pool. Swimming pool. An artificial area of water for swimming. Cemetery. Cemetery. An area of ground in which dead bodies are buried. Court. Court. A place where trials and other legal cases happen. Nightclub. Nightclub. A place where people go in the evening to eat and drink, dance, listen to music, or watch entertainment. Church. Church. A building for Christian religious activities. Did you understand the lesson? Test yourself. English quiz. Choose the correct answer. Pause when you see the pause sign. For more time to answer. What is this? A place where bread, cakes are made and sold. A place where bread, cakes are made and sold? Library, bakery, or cafe? Correct. It is bakery. Next questions. What is this? A building where criminals are forced to live as a punishment. Pharmacy, prison, or clinic? A building where criminals are forced to live as a punishment. Correct. It is prison. Next questions. What is this? A building where you pay to have a room to sleep in. Stadium, court, or hotel? Correct. Hotel. Excellent. Good job. Now a little test for you. Write the correct answers in the comments below. What is this? A building where people use machines to produce goods, a shop in which medicines are prepared and sold, a theater where people pay to watch films. Waiting for your answers in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon. English with Helen.